did you have enough resources to win the game? Probably not. But did you have resources to play a better game? Yes. But to play a better game, we need to understand the game and not just show up and play the game. That's not enough. And when you are playing one of the best teams in the world, every mistake, gets punished. And we didn't understand that, and we didn't change that during the game. So we continue to do the same mistake, shooting bad shot, and just give them this opportunity to score 30 points in transition. Take care of the ball, understand how we have to play. We wanted to attack early and see if we can score some layups, some 1v0, and if not, if those opportunities were not here, just to be patient. And I think that we are not enough patience to create good opportunities later in the possession. So we play this game. Do we play hard? I'm not sure that we play hard enough to compete against this team. But we're gonna play them in 2 days, and I hope we can see something different.